Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to delete project in Davinci Resolve 18. So first thing you need to do is go down here to this home icon. Click on that and your project manager will appear. This is the project that I want to delete, and as you can see, when I right click, I am not seeing here a delete or remove or anything like this. So if you encounter this same problem, first thing you need to do is close your project. So instead of removing it, first click on close right here, as you can see. Click on that, and now as you can see, your project has been closed, and then you can right click it, and here you can see delete. You can also use this shortcut Shift and backspace, or just press here delete, and then here on delete as well. Then you can close, and your project is successfully deleted. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.